Welcome to a fashion flashback that's sure to make even your mom cringe in the light. Today, we're diving into the dazzling, outrageous world of 90s couture, where every outfit looks like it was designed by an ADHD squirrel. So buckle up and prepare to question all your life choices because we're about to strut down the memory lane in the most glorious outfit you can imagine. Don't look at me like that, you clicked on this video. The first thing I do is planning the entire project with the help of today's video sponsor, Milanote. Milanote is an organizing app for creative projects just like this one I'm doing. For any of my projects, I make a project plan and a mood board. To craft a mood board, I simply choose one from over 100 built-in templates that Milanote offers. For the 90s runway theme specifically, I first outlined the vibes I want to capture in the center of the board. For example, classic, colorful, high fashion with a dash of mystery. This helps me tremendously when looking for inspiration. I just go on Pinterest and find pictures that resemble the moods listed and upload them to the board, organize and title them how I like. For people who cannot go with the flow like me, a project plan is crucial. I list out all the materials I need to shop for using the to-do list. When I got something, for example, fabric, bonings, I just put a tick next to it. Since I have to do tons of things in one project, it would feel so overwhelming. Hence, portioning the work by setting a timetable, setting achievable goals for each day makes things so much more achievable. When your boards are completed, you can invite anyone to make changes or give feedback. So if you do anything creative like filmmaking, interior designing, writing, or content creating, this is the app for you. The best thing is you can do all of this for free and there is no time limit. So sign up now using my link in the description. Big thanks to Milanote for sponsoring my video. The first design is Eva Herzogova's top for Chloe's Fall/Winter 1998 collection, which is a corset style design. I'm always infatuated by clothes with nice little details like those golden scallops and small golden hearts sprinkled randomly. With the colors, the silhouette, and the details, this top naturally became a target for recreation. But it's not easy to make. But you know what they say, when encountering difficulties, just stay calm, tilt your head, and gently press your index finger on your cheek. It will not get easier, but you will look cuter. So, to drape the top, sketch the shape of it with red tape on the dress form, ensuring the outline is precise and clear. Next, pin see-through white fabric over the taped design, then trace the lines accordingly. Once complete, remove the fabric and transfer the traced design to paper to create the patterns. Lay the patterns over the fabric, make sure they align properly. Secure each pattern piece with pins to prevent shifting. Then, use fabric scissors to cut out the individual pieces with precision. Sew them together to form the base of the corset. Add bony channels and bones for firm structure. Now, we want to cut out the triangular shapes from the luxury gold lace that I got for $50.
Oh my god!
Next, apply a small amount of glue on the triangles and position them on the fabric. Press gently for the glue to adhere better. Once secured, trim the fabric around the lace. Finally, sew the triangles to the top. Once the scallops are sewn securely to the top, we glue these golden droplets randomly on top of it. While doing that, think about what a smiling chihuahua is called. On the hindsight, did you know that if you take sliced pickles and throw them in the trash, the world is a better place? Anyways, I also created this stunning skirt to complement the top using this expensive fabric that I got for $3.5. I used the skirt I own as pattern. I made this skirt in my K-pop video, and that video itself is hilarious. And I made so many beautiful clothing items, so you should check it out. After cutting the pieces following the patterns, sew the patterns together for a perfect fit. Let's try on our first recreation. I'd say my version resembles 80% of the original. I made the chest part more curved so it can hold my chest more securely. A minor inconvenience is some scallops tend to dislocate and the velvet fabric makes it look a bit costumey, but I still love it. The first outfit, I'm pairing the top with a black skirt from my friend's dress, which gives a mature and elegant vibe. For the second look, I paired with a golden sparkle skirt. This outfit is more young, playful, and festive. My friend says it looks like a mermaid with its tail chopped off. That sounds morbid, but well, isn't that something? My favorite outfit is with my crochet flower skirt. It exudes an interesting mix of romantic and bohemian aesthetics, making a chic ensemble for a special event or daytime outing. The last outfit is with this Jenny skirt I made in my K-pop video. The skirt's layered tulle and sheer details create a whimsical and bold statement, balancing softness and edginess, making a fashion-forward impression. This outfit from Jean Louis Sher Spring Summer Haute Couture 1988 collection is a striking example of 1980s elegance and femininity. The off-shoulder design with dramatic ruffles along the neckline, sleeves, hem, and bodice adds a playful and romantic touch. If you didn't know, women wore corsets for almost 400 years because comfort was judged less important than social status, feminine beauty, and respectability. Nowadays, women still wear corsets because, god damn it, we wear whatever we want. Shut up. Once the fabric is cut, proceed to sew the pieces together to form the garment. Sew bony channels in the accessory sections. Once we finish with the base, add ruffles to the bottom of the corset and sew in place. Add bones to the channels for the firm structure. To make the flower, I cut a small strip of fabric. Fold a corner to the opposite edge, align two edges together and sew along all the way. Fold the strip along the hem to form the flower and sew it in place. Position the flowers and leaves on the corset, then sew to secure. Lastly, sew a ruffle to the top edge of the corset and it's finished. Moving on to making the skirt. The fabric is sheer, so I'm gonna double it and give it to the next person. Fold it in 2 quarters for 2 layers for both the front and the back. After cutting the fabric, we have these 3 double layered pieces. Line them up neatly and sew the sides together. My skirt looks like this. I go ahead and add a zipper in the back, finish it with ruffles at the bottom of the skirt, and we're done with the second fit. Moment of truth for this recreation. The top turned out great and pretty close to the original. The pale yellow hue enhances the design's fresh springtime feel, while the rosette details down the front bring a delicate couture level finish. I ran out of fabric, so I replaced the off-shoulder with the top ruffle. The skirt with its bold purple hues and floral prints creates a dreamy, almost ethereal effect. For the second one is the ruffle skirt from the same set that I made. Paired with minimal accessories, this look is fresh and versatile, perfect for spring or summer events. The cheerful pastel hue adds a lively touch, making it a standout choice for casual gatherings or daytime outings. Now this outfit beautifully blends playful femininity with a touch of elegance. Adding the crisp white skirt creates a light and breezy contrast. The combination of textures and colors gives the ensemble a fresh and summery vibe. The third outfit I chose is from the Chanel Couture runway show Spring-Summer 1995. Honestly, if it were still in stock, I would totally make a purchase. I know it's a designer dress, but you know what? I come from money. My father owns a huge company and my mother drives a Porsche. In my dreams. I don't even have a father. To create the garment, begin by folding the fabric in half and placing your patterns on top. Secure them with pins to hold in place and carefully cut out the fabric pieces. Sew the pieces together according to your design, ensuring clean and precise seams. Moving on to the cups, I made these patterns with the same method of draping. Cut the fabric out and sew the cups according to the pattern. After that, attach the cups securely to the bodice, sew bony channels and add bones in place. Finally, add a delicate flower between the cups for an elegant finishing touch. For the skirt, I used a dress my friends gave me. Cut it in half and used the bottom half as the skirt. And of course, the top is still entirely wearable. I think the top turned out super close to the original. The corset offers a slight squeeze in the waist area, which flatters the figure. The centerpiece, a delicate floral embellishment, introduces a romantic, feminine touch. I love the thick strap, which complement the top with a bold and edgy vibe. My first outfit is with the white floral skirt. This outfit is a chic and modern take on monochromatic styling with a playful twist. Adding the small white bag with floral details ties the look together seamlessly, reinforcing the outfit's feminine and polish aesthetic. When pairing the top with a pencil skirt cut from a dress, it emphasizes a classic and timeless aesthetic. The outfit is a streamlined, mature silhouette, perfect for formal occasions or evening events. The third outfit is with a floral black skirt. With its light, playful pattern softens the boldness of the corset, making the look so fun. I love that the flower of the top matches the flower of the bottom. Pairing the top with a light and flouncy pastel pink miniskirt, it introduces a playful flirtation. Adding the sheer white off-shoulder sleeves further soften the look, making the outfit perfect for semi-casual events. This ensemble from Emmanuel Unar's Spring 1995 Couture collection is a stunning showcase of elegance and playfulness. The outfit features a polka dot motif that lends a vintage charm while maintaining a timeless sophistication, ensuring to frighten people with self-diagnosed trypophobia like my sister. That's why I love polka dots so much. The structured corset-style bodice, complete with a delicate lace-up detailing and a charming bow at the center, accentuates the waist and creates a flattering silhouette. Embodies Ungaro's signature blend of femininity and precision, making it a standout piece of couture fashion. Moving on to the skirt, since I don't have enough fabric and the original skirt doesn't seem to suit me, I'm gonna do a simple circle skirt. Fold the fabric in quarters and cut an inner circle whose radius equals to your waist size. Cut an outer circle according to your desired length. Cut a line opening the circle to make room for the zipper. Cut a strip of fabric to make the waistband. Sew it to the inner circle. After that, insert the zipper and we're all done. The top turned out kinda like the black one because I made it the same way. I didn't like the bow detail so much. I paired it with a black mini skirt. It's a youthful and stylish combination with a timeless appeal. The second fit is pairing with the skirt I made from the same set, exuding a retro vibe with a modern twist. Adding sheer sleeves softens the look. It's perfect for summer dates, garden parties, or any occasion that calls for a cheerful yet sophisticated style. If you like this video, make sure to check out anhcreatesthings YouTube channel. I have many other videos just like this one. And don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know whenever I post a new video.